The bamboo that bends is stronger than the oak that resists. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Never give it. It was a high counsel that I once heard given to a young person. Always do what you are afraid to do. Death is not the greatest loss in life. The greatest loss is what dies inside us while we live. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Seek opportunity, not security. A boat in a harbor is safe, but in time, its bottom will rot out. Do not wait to strike till the iron is hot, but make it hot by striking. We must overcome the notion that we must be regular. It robs you of the chance to be extraordinary and leads you to the mediocre. Risk more than others think is safe. Care more than others think is wise. Dream more than others think is practical. Expect more than others think is possible. A happy person is not a person in a certain set of circumstances, but rather a person with a certain set of attitudes. For a long time it seemed to me that real life was about to begin. Real life. But there was always some obstacle in the way. Something had to be got through first. Some unfinished business, time still to be served, or a debt to be paid. Then my life would begin. At last it dawned on me that these obstacles were my life. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. You don't get to choose how you're going to die or when, but you can decide how you're going to live now. Security is mostly a superstition. It does not exist in nature, nor do the children of men as a whole experience it. Avoiding danger is no safer in the long run than outright exposure. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Only put off until tomorrow what you are willing to die having left undone. Don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. Never let the odds keep you from doing what you know in your heart you are meant to do. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe.